god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey y'all, what's up? It's Mando. Welcome back to my channel, my canal. Welcome. Yeah. So in today's video with this whole like coronavirus, I have nothing to do all day because what am I gonna do? So I decided to cook some things that I saw from TikTok. So this will be a little cooking with me or whatever. I don't know if I've done this type of video before, but I was like, why not just cook? I don't know how to cook, so this is me learning, and the things from TikTok seem pretty easy, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and make the Asian Zing wings first, and then the cookies, and then the Jalongo coffee or whatever that everyone's hyping about. We can see a taste test, and then we can see exactly if it tastes good or not, or if people are just doing it for the hype. But honestly, it looks pretty bomb, so I'm excited. But we're gonna go ahead and get started, and we're gonna go ahead and start off with the Asian Zing wings because I love Asian Zing wings from Buffalo Wild Wings, so I'm super happy. So basically what you're gonna need is obviously the wings. For the Asian Zing wings, you're gonna need white vinegar, red chili pepper flakes, honey, and there's some ginger. I already have a lemon from a lemon tree. You can do real garlic, but I think minced garlic is just as fine. Well, I don't even know, but I have soy sauce, sriracha, some salt and pepper, and then some cornstarch. And we'll go ahead and get things started. First things first. So first you just grab a bowl like this. And then you're gonna go ahead and slap the wings. You don't have to slap them, but you have to open it. And then you're just gonna put the wings in the bowl. So just put the wings in the bowl so they're like in the bowl. Okay, I don't know what the hell is kidding. Just kidding. And then all you're gonna want to do is just go ahead and salt and pepper them because that's what the guy said. And then you just do like the mixing thing, like. Before you mix them, make sure to turn on the oil and then just put it so it covers the wing. So when you put it in, it's like fully covered. Like, okay, that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that and we'll be back. So once you got the oil started, I put it on medium heat because, I don't know. Just go ahead and like mix them like that. Mix them like that. But yeah, just make sure it's like very marinated, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on the sauce because the sauce is the best part. Okay, so the first step that you want to go ahead and do is obviously mince the garlic. I don't know what that means, but it looks like you just cut it. So you're just gonna want to like, you just want to like cut it in little pieces until it's like really small. And obviously this is already really small, so yeah, I don't even know how much garlic I have. Just like, I'll show you after because I don't really know how to cook. Okay, so I finally finished mincing the garlic. That took forever. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get a pan and we're gonna start on the Asian Zing sauce. So the guy doesn't explain it and I'm not gonna be able to explain it either, so oh well. So first, what you're gonna want to do is get your pan. So we got our pan here. So in the pan, you're just gonna go ahead and want to put some honey. He kind of puts a lot because this is like the whole sauce. So I'd put like that much or whatever. Okay, and then next you just want to put a little bit of the white vinegar. Like that much, I guess. And then after that, you're gonna want to put some cornstarch. At first I was like, why do you need cornstarch? But I guess cornstarch is great, let's see, for thickening sauces and gravy. So he just puts like that much. Oh my god, that's too much, that's too much. I'm gonna take that out, so hold on. Okay, I took out most, but you know what? It's gonna be thick today. It's gonna be thick. It's gonna be thick. And then next is what he puts in. Okay, so next you're gonna go ahead, get your soy sauce, and then he puts a good amount, so like, you know, we gotta put a little bit more because we put too much of that. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our sriracha sauce. Oh my god, I need to open it. Oh, apparently you gotta do the little switchy thing, but just go ahead, put your sriracha, get your minced ginger. It's not that minced, but it'll do. And then you're gonna go ahead and also put half a lemon. It's okay if you get the lemon seeds in there because just don't eat them. You're gonna go ahead and then put some minced garlic. Also, just go ahead, get like a little spoonful, put that in there. And then just go ahead and get a little chili flakes up in there too. So now that we put the red chili flakes, you just go ahead and do that. And then kind of just mix it so you see like if you need more of what, because that's what I'm gonna do. Like right now it's not that saucy. And then we're gonna go ahead and take this and we're gonna go ahead and put it here over some medium heat and let that cook. I don't know if this is good, but don't check it with your hands because that's bad. And then he said to check the temperature with the chopstick. I don't know how you can check. Oh, I see how you can check. Look at, that's how you know it's hot. What the heck? Oh my god, I did not know you can do that. So I think it's hot enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the wings in. Obviously, like, just cook them all the way through. That makes sense. We just gonna get our wings and put them in here. I'm kind of scared because what if it starts like, I'm just gonna put a little bit more salt, then a little bit more pepper, and we gonna go to town. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yes, sir. I think I learned how to do something. Look at, I don't like these little tails though. Like, I'm probably not gonna eat that part because y'all should just get the regular wings. My wings have little tails. Like, I thought it was just gonna be singular, but it'll do, it'll do. And then we got the sauce kind of ready. It looks kind of dark. It's okay, we're learning. So it's a long time later. The wings are finally done after cooking them for like 30-40 minutes. I thought it was gonna be like 10 minutes. But we have this mixture. It was a little thick at first, like almost as thick as me, so I added some OJ in it. And now it's good. So now we're gonna pour that in there and then we should be done. Y'all, that looks like some Asian Zing wings. So I'm gonna make the cookies now and they're gonna be cheesecake Oreo cookie. Okay, so when you need 5 ingredients, we have sugar, cream cheese, butter, double stuffed Oreo, and then some flour as well. So now that you have a bowl like of this size, you're gonna want to put the entire thing of cream cheese in there. Okay, so this part is where I'm gonna do a voiceover because yeah, I'm gonna do it. But first you go ahead and put 2 sticks of butter. I didn't have 2 sticks, so I used 1 cup, which is perfectly fine. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put a 1.5 cup of sugar or azúcar because we like our things sweet. Can you hear me? Alright, and then we have to go ahead and beat it until it's smooth. As you can see, I'm a chef right now, so don't come at me saying I don't know how to cook. Okay, so it looks good for now. Just remember that for now, it looks really, really good. But once it's go ahead and smooth, just like that, we're gonna go ahead and add flour. See how that's flour? I say that, yeah, so for me, it looked like flour. So I said it was flour and that was flour. But what you do here is you just go ahead and put it in little by little so that it mixes and there's not like any extra flour that's supposed to be left over. But this is what you're supposed to do, so just go ahead and follow it. And then yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get next to the next part. So next we're gonna get fancy or bougie. We get double stuffed Oreos because we like to be double stuffed, alright? So I went ahead and put 20. I'm there with my grandma. She's just go ahead, just beat it up like it's your ex who did you wrong. You know, there's never wrong with that, but honestly don't do that because you don't want to charge or anything. But just go ahead and do it and then just go make sure it just looks like it's like big little chunks like that, and then it's gonna be all very Gucci and good. This is also the part where my voiceover ends, so I hope you enjoyed it. Yay! Now we're just gonna go ahead and throw this in the mixture, and then you just swirl it until it's all combined together. Then afterwards you're gonna want to cover it up and then put it in the fridge for 30 minutes so that something happens. I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and do that. Now that it's been 30 minutes, it is a lot thicker, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on here, and then we're gonna make our cookies. Okay, so I'm gonna put the cookies in the oven for like 14 to 16 minutes and then they should be done. And then while that's baking, I'm gonna be making the dalgona coffee or whatever, coffee whipped. I have the hot water, the instant coffee, and then the sugar right here. It's just 2 tablespoons of everything and then you just mix it up all together and it should be good to go. Y'all, I thought it was flour and it turned out to be sugar instead of flour, so these cookies didn't make. Oh my god, I cannot cook. They just smelled burnt and it was not good. So I have the coffee all ready and everything because my cookies were a fail. The Asian Zing wings were pretty good, so I'm gonna do a taste test and see how good this is. See if the hype is real. I used oat milk, so hopefully it's good. I mean, it's good. So I'm lying, it was actually really bomb. I just didn't whisk it enough, so make sure you whisk it really good. It's not like bomb, but it's like a good espresso shot. Pretty cheap. But that is gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. I hope you guys liked cooking with me. Obviously, I'm not the best cook. I burned my cookies because I used powdered sugar instead of flour, so I'll try to maybe do it again, I don't know, but just wanted to end the video here. Please make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Everything is at mandoulysses. My Instagram, my Twitter, my TikTok, whatever, it's all the same. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you get notified when I post, because I would greatly appreciate it. Leave down a comment and make sure to like this video. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.